Hey, how's it going, everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the #1 profitable setup that I have experienced in my 4 years of trading. Let's get into the chart and show you. Now we're on the charts, and I wanted to show you the most profitable, best setup you can take. Now, a lot of traders, a lot of people say, hey, take the best setups. What does that even mean? When you're first starting out, you're saying, what does that mean? What is the best setup? Can you explain? So here I am. I'm going to show you guys what traders mean when they say the best setups. Majority of the time, they probably don't even know what that is, but I'm going to break down my favorite setup, the most profitable setup, and why you should be taking this setup. It's easy, very profitable, and you're always risking less than how much you're going to be profiting. Let's dive into it right here. So I'm looking at a 5-minute time frame, which means each of these bars is 5 minutes of trading. Now, what I want to do is I want to look at this market. Of course, I want to look at the previous days. I want to look at the hourly chart. Now, if I'm trading on a 5-minute time frame, I'm normally, the highest chart I'm looking at is in 1 hour time frame, which means each bar equals 1 hour of trading. Now, I see there was a huge gap up. The market consolidated. So I was expecting this to be an inside day and the market to continue because of so much strength, or it was going to completely sell off. But as we saw here, the market opened up, had 2 bearish bars, and then the market stayed above the exponential moving average and had 3 bullish bars. Okay. It had a small pullback, a continuation of pullback, and it broke above the high of the day. Now, what I want to tell you is this. After these 2 bearish bars, it could have been, okay, it's pushing up and this is a pullback and it's a continuation of a now starting bearish trend. Now, what I want to tell you is after so many bullish bars, especially when you see a bullish bar closing on its high like this, multiple closing on its high, that is showing extreme strength, extreme strength. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, all you should be looking for when you see these bars is how can I get into this trade? Logically, not, oh, let me just buy. Let me just buy and put my stop loss here. No, that doesn't make sense. You're thinking, how can I get into this trade logically so I can risk a small amount and profit a larger amount, okay? I'm not telling you that you're going to risk $100 and make $5,000. Telling you you're going to risk $100 and hopefully potentially make $200, maybe $300, right? The risk to reward, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 2. That's great. That's a great trade. So when I see so many bullish bars on a 5-minute time frame, you know what I do? I don't look at the 5-minute time frame anymore because it's too high of a time frame at this point. So therefore, I would move down to a 1-minute time frame. So here I am on a 1-minute time frame, and it's a little different now. What do I see? I see that this was a resistance level. Market pushed up to it twice, and then it broke above it. It created a bull flag, broke above. Okay, a little consolidation, bull flag, broke above. My favorite types of trades are bull flags in bull trending markets. Let me say that one more time. In a bull trend, you want to be trading bull flags. You don't want to be looking for reversals because there's so much strength. It's showing you, the market is telling you everyone is trying to buy. So why would you try to short the market? Why would you look for a reversal if everyone else is buying? The market is going to continuously go up. Yeah, there is a probability because it's the market that you're going to get a reversal, right? But there's a way higher probability, especially in a day like this, that the market's just going to continue. These are the best trades. I'm telling you, the most profitable trades. You find a market, you find a stock that is pushing up like this with a lot of strength. That is a bull trend day. The bulls are in control. What the bulls are doing, when the bulls are seeing a little pullback like this, they're not waiting, oh, I'm gonna buy when it breaks above. No, they're saying, oh, it pushes down this much, perfect, got it at a discount. Comes back up, oh, I'm gonna be starting to sell. I'm selling a little bit. Right when it starts coming down, the bulls are not like, oh, let me get in above a bar. You could get in above this bullish bar right here, right? This is on a 1-minute time frame, by the way, everyone. You could get in above this bullish bar right here. But a lot of bulls are just saying, okay, I'm getting it at a discount. Because of the strength previously, it's such a high probability the market's going to continue up that I'm just going to buy now. And they keep leveling in. If the market keeps going a little lower, they're going to level in because they understand that at least they're going to get a move to that prior high. So right here, let me break down this small trade right here. So a lot of people may be looking at this and be like, oh, it's just a pullback. Let me just get in. You can, like I was telling you, but that's for more experienced traders. They're trading with limit orders. Now, if you want to trade with market orders, which mean you're getting right in at the market, this would be a wonderful trade. The market pulls back. We have this bullish bar closing in its high with a huge wick, shows rejection around this area. Then we have a bearish bar. Then we have another bullish bar. Now, a lot of people just say, okay, there's a bullish bar. Let me get in above that. You can, but you always want to look at smaller patterns within the trade. So right here, I can see there's a push down, a push back up, and a push back down. And this is higher than the previous low. This is a higher low right here. Not only that, this is a double bottom. 1 push, 2 push. That's a double bottom. So that gives you 2 other confluences to get into this trade. Not only do you just have a bullish bar closing on its high and a lot of bullish strength, you have a double bottom and a higher low at this moment. So you should get in. And your stop loss can either be below this bar, or some people would like to put it below here. You can put it below this bar because you are trading a double bottom and it's a lower high. So you can put your stop loss right here, get in, take profit a 1-to-1 with half your position, and let the rest ride out. Look, we got another close on its high, strength. A small, still bullish bar, strength. Another close on its high, strength. Close on its high, strength. A little bit of a wick. Okay, there could be some indecision here. Pulling back some more, right? At this point, you are way more profitable than the amount that you risked. Your reward at this point is 5 times what you risked on this trade. And the reason being is because there was so much bullish strength previously and you traded with the trend. So that's a big tip, is trade with the trend. Do not trade against the trend, and do not look for reversals in a strong bullish trend. Again, do not look for reversals in a strong bullish trend, okay? You want to be buying in bull trends and you want to be shorting in bear trends. These are the trades I'm constantly looking for when I trade the stock market. You got to be patient for them. They're not just constantly showing up. You got to take them at the right moment. Once you see a lot of strength, now you're understanding, okay, let me get in on a pullback, right? You're not looking to get in at this prior high and trying to get a breakout. No, why would you do that? It's much more profitable to be getting in low when you know there's so much bullish strength that everyone is trying to buy low and get it for a discount. Why would you be getting in at a breakout of this point? Once it's pushing here, now it could possibly have a second leg down, right? Because now it could be making a double top for all you know, but at least when you're getting in at a pullback, you understand that you're at least going to be getting to that prior high. The probability is much higher. 70-80% you're going to be getting to this prior high. It can't be 100% because then trading wouldn't exist. So I can't say, oh, it's a 100% that you're going to get to the prior high and get a measured move. I can't say that. I'm going to say that it's a way higher probability that you're going to be getting to the prior high and have a measured move. This is my most profitable trade. This is the trade I always look for. It's a pullback and a continuation of the trend. Okay, bull trend, bear trend. You're trying to go with the trend. You're trying to trade with the trend, especially when there's a lot of strength. So in this case, you saw the 5-minute time frame, there was a bunch of strength. So you want to trade with the trend. Hope that helped you guys out. And in the next video, I'm going to be breaking down price action even more clearly, as this is just one trade. There are so many other ways to trade the market, and you really need to understand price action and what it's telling you. A lot of people would not understand that this is a double bottom and this is a higher low, right? It's higher than the previous low. They would just be saying, there's a bullish bar, let me buy. But when you really break down price action and you understand what's going on, that's when your trading is taken to a whole other level. All right, let's move away from the charts now, you guys. Hey guys, so I hope showing you on the chart really broke down and helped you guys understand this setup and why it is so amazing and why I say it is the #1 most profitable setup. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel below. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. I'll see you guys in the next video.